Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. This video explains more about the way search works in the Legislative Document Research tool. See the separate videos on the main search and advanced search for an introduction to using the Legislative Document Research tool. Again, links to other videos in this series can be found in the video description below. When you enter a keyword into the main search box or in any of the keyword searches, the program operates with what is called stemming. This means you don't have to be exact with verb tense or singular or plural. Entering the word fish into the main search box will automatically pull up results for not only the word fish, but also fishing, fisherman, fished, goldfish. Anything that contains the root word you entered will pull up as a search result. You will notice that all instances of the word you entered will be highlighted for you in the text of each search result. As some of these documents are very long, this is a way for you to get to the portion of the document dealing with the subject you are interested in quickly. After you type a search term, you will also see suggested categories and topics related to the search term you entered. Clicking on a category or topic suggestion will change the search to find documents labeled with that topic or category as opposed to those containing the original term you entered. I am going to click on Bass in the list of topic suggestions to show how the search changes after your selection. Using the main search and not choosing anything in the Search Within box will perform a very comprehensive search with many results to scroll through. Choosing a topic, as you can see, limits your search results considerably. Choosing a category is a much broader search and may actually give you more results than the initial search performed. You can also generate a link to your search results in the search engine. This allows you to send the link to someone else so they can see the results of this search without having to put in identical search parameters. You can also use the link again yourself at a later time to avoid having to run the search again. The link generated basically executes the search again, so as more content is added, it will also be added to your search results. After you have entered your search criteria and received a list of results, click the Generate Link link in the gray area at the top of the screen. When you click Generate Link, a box will appear with a URL that can be used to take the user directly to the search results page. You can copy and paste this link into an email or document to share it with someone else or keep it for your own use. Clicking a search result in the list will pull up that result for you in a new tab in a web-based HTML format. But with several document types, you have the option to pull up the results in different formats as well. If you click on the icon in front of a search result, you will notice you are given a choice of format for the result. As this particular result is legislation, you will see you are given the choice of pulling up the document in various formats. A PDF is a secure, static, printer-friendly format. You can easily print a PDF document, but will be unable to make changes or notations electronically. The second option shown is RTF. This stands for Rich Text Format and is another way of saying that the content of the document will be dropped into Microsoft Word. Having the information in Word allows you to make whatever changes you wish to the document easily. Of course, you are not changing the actual content of the search result, but creating a copy that you can work with and edit for your own use. HTML is the web-based version, and the BillBook option allows you to pull up the bill in the BillBook application. All formats contain the full text of the bill, so the format choice you make is largely based on how you wish to view or use that search result. Depending on the type of search result selected, you will have different format options available. The Bills and Rules Watch tool can also interact with the search engine when you are signed into the website. You will require an account to sign into the site. You already have an account if you are internal legislative staff or if you have used any of the applications contained in the portal, including but not limited to Redbook Roster, Fiscal Notes, Required Reports, RMS, BMS, and the Lobbyist application. If you have not used the portal previously, you will need to create an account. For instructions on how to do this, please refer to the Bills and Rules Watch video, the link to which can be found in the video description. To sign in, click on the Applications link in the black footer at the bottom of the website. Sign in with your email address, which functions as your username, and the password you created for your account. When you are signed in, you will see your name at the top of the website. This is the way to tell you are signed in and the way to access this additional functionality. I will now sign in with my own credentials so you can see this additional functionality. As you can see, my name now appears in the black header at the top of the page, indicating I have signed into the website. After signing in, I will return to the Legislative Document Research tool by clicking on the banner to return to the home page and then selecting the Legislative Document Research link on the home page. Again, I will type FISH into the main search box and then click the magnifying glass icon or enter on my keyboard to launch my search. When I click on the icon in front of a search result, I now have the ability to add it to my collection right from this search. You can see the Add to Collection option in addition to the format options provided. Clicking on this will give you a pop-up window, which gives you the option to add the result to an existing collection or to a new collection in the Bills and Rules Watch application. When you have made your choice, click the Save button. You will see a success message indicating that the search result has been added to your collection in the Bills and Rules Watch application. You are now subscribed to receive email notifications anytime something happens with regards to that search result. Again, please review our video detailing how to use the Bills and Rules Watch application for more information. Thanks for watching. Links to other videos in this series can be found in the video description.